If you have been looking for a way to get paid to chat with lonely foreigners, this is the video for you. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a website where you can get paid to chat with lonely foreigners. Now, before I get into that video, I want you to see that this is really very legit. This screenshot that you see here is a screenshot from one of the students who is doing this currently. This is another screenshot of another person who is doing this. I can go on and on to show you different screenshots of people who are making money from just chatting with lonely people. The beautiful thing I love about this is that you can be earning this money every week, meaning that you don't have to wait till month end before you withdraw your money. So if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about how you can get paid to chat with lonely foreigners. I'll show you the website in just a moment, but please, before we get in, kindly do me a favor by liking this video. Make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss whenever I share content like this. All right, so having said that, let's get straight into the website. Let me show you everything that you need to see. So if you come to my Google Chrome here, you see that the name of the website is called premium.chat. The name of the website is called premium.chat. On this website, there are lots of lonely people that are looking for someone to chat with them. Basically, your work is to have a conversation with them, gist with them, be their friend, flirt with them, listen to them. Some of them are depressed, some of them are bored. So your job is just to listen to them and they pay you for your time. I don't know if you get it. Very, very easy. So what it means is that you don't need to be experienced in any skill. The only skill you need here is for you to be able to listen and have good conversation with these people. Another good thing is that you do not have to stress yourself. You don't have to be here all the time. You can come anytime and then you pick a chat and then you chat. Another good thing here is that you can decide the amount that you want to receive for every chat you want to chat, for every person you want to chat with. I don't know if you get it. So if you scroll down, you can see more details about the site. Pay chat the way you want. If you scroll, you see get paid to video call. Some of them will want to see your face. Sometimes you want to chat with people, you want to see their face. So that is part of what you can do on this site. Another thing you can do here is to text chat. That's the normal one. And then another one is to get paid to call. Some of them want to call to hear your voice. There's a level you get to, the conversation becomes very engaging. They want to see you, they want to see your face, they want to make calls with you. All you need to do here to make a lot of money is for you to be friendly and warm and be welcoming. All right, don't judge, just listen to them and engage. That's how you make money here. So if you scroll down, you see that your time is valuable so start getting paid for it. All right, so instead of you wasting your time chatting unnecessary chat that doesn't pay you, you can come here and make some good money for yourself. So you can see here, you can set your own fees to maximize your profits. You can charge them from $1 to $5 every minute, and you can even earn up to $50 on a flat rate. Right? You can stay in control. That means you can set your availability when you are going to be around, when you're not around. All right, and you can also work from anywhere on any device. If you scroll down, you see that we handle the billing, you handle the chat, meaning that when you chat, they pay and then you can receive your money through this platform, and then the payments are on time. Everything is transparent, so you can take your time to go through this platform. All right, already you know that the name of the platform is premium.chat, but let's just take a look at some other things before we leave this platform. Okay, if you come to the top right here, click on the three lines here, click on it. You're going to see sign in, sign up. So for you to be part of this platform, what you need to do is to click on sign up. Okay, so for you to make money here, you need to sign up as a seller, not as a buyer. If you sign up as a buyer, it means that you are the one that is looking for someone to chat with you, meaning that you are the one to pay. I hope you get what I'm saying. So when you come here now, for you to make money, you need to sign up as a seller on the account. So basically, this is everything you need to know about making money on this platform. Remember, I said the payment is every week. All right. Now, before I leave, I need you to know that there are other platforms. There are different other platforms where you can earn from this system of chatting with foreign people and getting paid every week. So if you really want to learn exactly how this works, there is a video training. All right, there's a video training that explains everything step by step, so you can know how to do this properly. If you do it on your own, you might make a lot of mistakes. So this training is not free. It's a paid training where you get all the resources downloaded, and then you do this step by step. So if you really want to be part of that, remember I said it's a paid training. Go to the link in the description. I'll drop a link to my WhatsApp there. Go to the link, click on the link, and then you get access to me, or check the link that I will drop in the comment section. All right, that is how you can get access. So I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.